Good morning. Welcome back. OJT Barrage. I ain't wake up this early so long with this COVID crap. Yeah. But like I said, welcome back to OJT Barrage. Was really good. Yo, waking up early. Lock City drifting today. So we're gonna go check my boy Pat out. He's supposed to be drifting today. Dude, homie Jimmy Yokes is gonna be out there today. A lot of dudes are gonna be out there today, bringing the bike. You know, every car guy's in the bike. Me and RJ supposed to be having a little battle off. I challenged him too, but you know, I ain't riding a long time, so we're gonna see how that goes. But we're gonna hit the road, stop, meet Uncle Mike, grab him up, and then head to Thompson Speedway. And hopefully I get some ride-alongs today. I brought my helmet. I think I did. Hopefully I did. But about to hit the road. Catch you back in a minute. Go.
Alright guys, so we met up with Javon and we out here at Lock City. Got the boys out here too. You guys wanna say what up?
I said that.
Oh, but the camera wasn't on, so I was,
I mean, that's
So we got the whole crew out here, which we don't really get to do that often because we're all like busy doing stuff, you know?
Legit, yeah.
So it's cool that we're all out here, you know, hanging out, and we got somewhere else to introduce you to. We got Pat out here with his 240. Javon's gonna take a ride along with him.
I get a lot of footage of that for sure. A lot of drifting in car, out of car, as much as I can for you guys.
Yeah, so it's a nice day out here. It's sunny as hell though. Not a cloud in the sky either. Yeah, it's not hot, it's just that it's beaming. Yeah. But alright, but yeah, we're about to show you Pat's car, and Pat's got a little busy right now fixing it so that he can get on there, you know. But we're gonna show you his car. Javon's gonna do a ride along, and we're gonna get out there. Well, I'm not getting out there because I ain't taking my FD out there. But Pat's gonna get out there. Alright.
Gossip with Ace. Gossip on the Ace. Gossip with Ace. Gossip with Ace. Gossip on the Ace. Gossip with Ace. Gossip on the Ace. Gossip with Ace. Gossip on the Ace. Gossip with Ace. Gossip with Ace. Gossip on the 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 Ace.
right, guys. So we out here with Pat and Javon. Gonna go over Pat's car really
We'll
quick.
interview you later too. Don't go.
Yep. He's got a nice car too over here.
Which one's mine?
I don't know.
That one right there.
Blue one. Javon just said you had a nice car, so I just took his word for it.
But yeah, it's a good day. Had a little incident with my safe cylinder, but that's all settled. So hopefully get out there, have some fun.
So give me a little quick rundown. You know,
No, just a
quick build breakdown. What's up? What you
build
got?
breakdown. 89 240 SX, dual cam swap, 300 ZX brakes. Just a pretty much like, you know,
Yeah.
your starter drift car.
Yeah.
So bride seat, what else? RPF ones obviously, and then side skirts, rear valences, the Type X front. But like I said, just the overall like, you know, beginner drift car.
Yeah. Nice to start off with.
Exactly.
And you got the Lexus too, right?
Yeah, I got a GS300 also.
Yeah, that
almost-
one. That one we're gonna get in channel when you start doing the
manual swap. Yep,
Yeah,
definitely.
on
Yeah,
that
that's
one.
definitely gonna be the future.
Yeah, cause I definitely want to see that one.
Yeah, so like I said, it's gonna be like my seat time car, keep it
Yeah.
simple as is, and then the Lexus
Yeah.
will be the
Yeah, because Javon's gonna be working on a seat car pretty soon. Hopefully, I can get maybe I'm looking at a Z, something like that. If I can get cheap, something maybe with a blow motor, and I can just swap something into it. You know?
Yeah, honestly, Z's like the best like drift car to get into.
Yeah.
Definitely. Like,
Yeah, cause it's cheaper than probably a 240.
way cheaper than 240, and like I said, more power is just All you gotta do is weld a diff and you're good to go.
Check out your ride.
Yeah, go for it. Check it out.
What you got done to it? I see you got a roll cage and everything like that.
Yeah, I got a roll cage. I once had a scary event on the streets.
Yeah.
Almost flipped my shit.
Yeah.
So I was like, you know what? Let me invest the money into a cage. So I gotta cage it up.
Yeah.
I mean, it's pretty much stock engine-wise because I want to keep it reliable.
Yeah. What year is it?
It's an 03.
03? Okay.
03, yeah.
Yeah, this is what I'm looking to get into. One of these, you know.
It's definitely worth it. It's
Yeah.
pretty much get in and drive.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Something to get in, drive, and just what you have to weld diff.
Yeah, I definitely got the weld diff. LSD diffs are not that good from factory,
Yeah.
so I just welded it up. It's predictable.
Yeah.
I put the Brembos on there because this is a base model. It doesn't come with Brembos.
Okay. So what?
I got the
Is it the
Brembos on
Touring
there.
model that comes with the Brembos?
Yeah.
Touring. Okay. Yeah.
So you definitely feel that stopping power with
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Other than that, I got the bucket seat to keep me in place. I got full
Do you have
interior.
the e-brake thing?
Yeah, pick it up. Yeah, I got the hydro e-brake
Yeah,
in there.
the hydro. I can't think of the name. I was like hybrid e-brake thing. Nice setup, man. Nice. So are you doing on the direct pad or are you doing the?
That's all me right here.
Okay.
Yeah, right now it's Group B. So they kicked us off, but Group A should come back up like in a few minutes.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I'll be out there
What's,
again.
like for us newbies, what's the difference between the Group A and the Group B?
Group A is you can drive together and chase each other.
Oh, kind of like a tandem.
Yeah.
Okay.
But B, you can do the Group A track,
Yeah.
but solo. You really can't tandem. with
Okay.
people.
All right. Gotcha. All right.
And C is like beginner.
Yeah.
Newbie.
All right.
So,
So
that's
hopefully
how
by
that
next year we can be out here too.
works. Yeah. Definitely worth it.
Yeah.
Definitely worth it.
Alright, so we went out for the shakedown run. You know, see what's good. How you liking it?
Feels good. Car feels real good.
Alright, bumping up the PSI in the tires. And then we're gonna go back up and see what's up. It's mad today, son. There's mad cars. E36s, E46s, ISs, everything. Any type of swap you need is here. Like, it's all set. Definitely gives me hella ideas for what choice to pick as a drift car. First drift car, in this day and age, pick whatever. Just gotta have the funds right. Here, my boy Dan. I don't know if y'all can really hear me, but
What up?
we about to go for a ride on. been on this camera because the other camera's all the way at my bag. Yo, I see this. You see the intake to that? Yo, sorry to interrupt what I was just briefly saying, but bomba, yo, this is fire, son. Got the wide body on the overfront. Oh my gosh. Big body come through flexing. Big body come through flexing. And you know, you got my baby, my pride, and my joy, my most. Oh my God, this is precious. With the legit jaws on it. You see that? You see that? You see that? Lock City, you're gonna see me very soon in my own V. Trust and believe. How you like drifting then? Like,
It's a blast. I have, this is the most fun I've had with a car racing in a long time. I
gotcha.
used to autocross and road race BF hatchback.
Okay, okay.
So literally I'm coming from front wheel drive.
Same
autocross,
here.
Front wheel drive, little tin can, grip racing to this.
I came from a Honda head world, all front wheel drive, but I like doing like, you know, tollgate runs, back roads. I'm not a straight line dude, so.
I still have all my old Hondas, but I said fuck it, I wanted to get into this.
Definitely, I love ISs.
I got a bunch of buddies that do it, so.
Nice, same. Well, got him.
Hell yeah. Car's super clean, I like it. Rad.
Finally back in the garage. He left me, but we came back.
Family stuff.
But had a great time. Got a lot of it, as you guys can see. A lot of ride-alongs. How you like it?
I want a drift car now.
Now, I wanted a drift car so long ago, but
Well, I still want to be a cone killer, but I'm gonna use my R7 to be a cone killer, and then I need a Z. I think I'm gonna go with a Z.
right out the box,
Yeah.
perfect drift car. I was riding with Dan, as you can see, the one in the blue 350Z. Amazing, just so much fun, especially the G-force and going sideways. Like, it's way different than playing it on a sim or just a game. Like,
Yeah, I like how the atmosphere, people were like super chill there.
definitely everybody was
like,
chill, helping out.
Yeah.
Like, even like with Pat car, Alex just dropped down. It's not even his car, but you know,
Yeah.
dropped down to help put in the sleeve. Like, everything is always lend a hand. It's like, I like that community.
Yeah, and then like, I was talking to people that, you know, just like walking with people and talking, they were like super chill and talking. You know,
Let you go for ride-alongs, no problem with recording or, you know, explaining what they got going on with their car.
yeah.
Like, everybody.
And I like how they had the 3 different groups, you know, for like, you know.
Oh,
like,
the A, B, and
most-
C
yeah,
classes.
It was kind of like experience to like medium experience to like noobs.
Yeah,
you know?
pretty much, yeah.
And you know, and then like the part, if you guys haven't ever been there, it had like a little skid pad, but the skid pad had like, it was still like a little track on the skid pad, but they just had it out
It
with
was
like
the
tires.
kidney bean shape. They call it the kidney bean.
Yeah. So, and then like from what I was seeing was like people went around for like 2 laps.
Yeah, and you
then
come
they come
back
out and
in.
you go back to the end of the line. But I thought it was cool because then you can get in as many runs
Yeah,
as you
just
want.
keep going.
But
That's
they
the big one too.
Yeah, because also give your car time to cool down. You know, so I was like, you know, I was like, that's what's up, you know.
And you got a nice little drive before you get to the back and run, so it helps cool down and
Yeah,
stuff.
because one of the things why I didn't really want to get into drifting was because I was like, well, I don't know how to drift, and I'm not gonna be out there doing like. You know, spinning out on the apex, and people like, you holding us up. You know,
Nah, trust, this is a lot of guys that people spinning out and
but it wasn't like that though. So, yeah.
And if you spinning out, somebody's always there telling you, yo, do this or try this out, or somebody's always there to give advice. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So, Lock City Drift, shout out to you guys.
Yeah, I think it was a
event.
pretty good event. You know, definitely want to try to get out there next year with my own ride. You know, or
definitely next year.
something. You
Next
know,
year I'll be out
at
there
least
for
one of us will
sure.
have a ride out there. You know,
For sure.
You know, so
and
I'll
Thompson
ride
also
along
got
with
the they got cone killing and they got the you can drive on the track. We gotta look up the track times. and
all the different track
Yeah,
days.
it's actually Thompson Speedway in Connecticut is where we went for the Lock City. That's where Lock City, the group, hosts all their events. And they have another one coming up on October 30th and 31st. And I'll definitely be at that one, just get more footage.
Yeah, that one I could plan for. More
Yeah, definitely can plan
Yeah,
for
it
far
just
in
depends, you know, because I got kids and stuff. So if they got like a baseball or something like that, but figure it out though. But
A little
definitely
shaky,
want to get
my
out
hands
there.
tired.
Definitely, guys. If you haven't been out there, get out there. If you like drifting and you're in the New England area, I would say get out there.
Definitely, definitely. Because I've seen plates from Rhode Island, Mass, Connecticut, obviously.
I think I've seen plates from Jersey. I've seen one plate from Jersey, and I was like, Jersey.
They on a trailer.
Yeah.
They about it.
Yeah.
Because once I get a trailer, I'm going down the whole East Coast, wherever they got.
Yeah, I'm like, I don't know. Like for me, I'm a little bit old, so I already have trailers and stuff like that. But to me, I'm kind of like, if you're doing that kind of event, if you have a trailer, like just bring it on a trailer, because you don't know if something's gonna break. You don't know what's gonna happen out there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
so if you can get a trailer, so in case your stuff breaks, you can still get home.
Having a trailer, you also be able to like have more confidence while you're driving. Cause think about it, you drive there and you gotta drive home. So when you drifting, you're not trying to do too many clutch kicks, or you're not trying to whip it this hard because I still gotta drive home. But you come on a trailer, it breaks. It breaks.
You ready?
Put on a trailer.
All right, put on
I still got a reliable way home.
Yeah.
But
that's what I said. I'm like, I wouldn't go there. Like, I'm not saying don't go there if you don't have a trailer. If you have the means to a trailer, put your joint on a trailer, bring it out there.
I seen it do with a U-Haul, so anything's possible. I mean, either U-Hauls are a pain in you know what, but
yeah, U-Hauls are rough on your truck, man. Rough, but all right.
For the most part, that's to wrap it up. Keep watching. Like I said, next video, well, not next video, next drifting video will definitely be from Thompson Speedway. The next event, Lock City. Check them out. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Hit that subscribe.
Definitely hit the subscribe. What's the point of watching it and not subscribing?
If you like it,
Doses.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all I stay calm, yeah. Tell them all I move on, yeah. Fucking my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss.